We have a new camera position, and it turns out birds love this place. Look at all the insects, and a meadowlark is coming right up to check on the camera. Several pigeons, bigger than chickens, I couldn't believe it. And a killdeer, busy seemingly day and night. There must be lots of good bugs in there. The killdeer is a tough bird. It comes out right during a snowstorm, wind blowing, cold and ice. Killdeer is there. A merlin, that's a falcon, comes by on a regular basis, fishing and bathing. And then these lovely rare bluebirds. They are on their way to the mountains where they will spend the summer, but they had to stop over on their migration path, found some water, stopped, rested, drank, and they will be gone again very soon. More meadowlarks. These three, they're striking with this orange breast color. More bluebirds, the last of the ones that came by, male and female. And a bird I couldn't recognize or identify, has the face of a killdeer but not the body. Maybe someone else knows it. I'm ending the video with a lovely, lovely blackbird song. Blackbirds are saying, winter, you are done. Even though you're trying, we're ready for spring. You can now melt out and let it warm up.